Hello, hello, hello. Check out this amazing Cooper chat stand. It's actually an adjustable phone stand from Cooper store on Amazon. This one was the cheapest. I got it for like $12.95. The others were like $13.95, about $14. This is almost $13. Forget all the 95, 95, 90, all the cents they put in there. Okay, so they have the white and different color. It's actually listed here. Let's check it out. Because I'm tired of, whenever I want to make video call, I'm keeping my phone near my cup like this. That kind of thing, you feel me? So let's check it out. Woo. Two screws and a wrench. Look at thingy. The base. Okay. This is the highest height and this is shortest height. Description link, no, site link in my description below. And voila, took me less than a minute to set up. Okay. Oh, that's my baby boy. This is nice. Now, phone calls with, hey, how are you? I'm good. Da 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 da. What do you think, you guys? I love it. Thank you for watching. This is nice, I guess. For that price, it's actually sturdy. Look at that. That's actually nice. Okay, for real. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't. Bye. Whoop.